Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna be making like a cucumber sandwich thing. I don't know, except it's like the cucumbers is the bread. But so what you have to do is you have to cut the cucumber in half, and then the next step I have to get the spoon for. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I thought of like an easy idea how to do this. You can just like use your knife to like make a hole to start off with, to just scoop out whatever it is. So you're just supposed to take out the seeds and a little bit extra, so I'm just going to use my spoon to take out this. I'll just, gosh, this is hard. Need my knife again. I'm watching out. Now, this is hard to cut. I'm going to take out. It's easy to cut, but okay, let's see if this will work. Oopsies. Oh well. That doesn't really matter, does it? Okay. This is like difficult. There. I guess just like scoop through it.
If
you have to scoop through it, Nora. Don't ask me why. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoop the seeds out. I found an easier way to like scoop it out. Instead of cutting it, you can just like scrape the seeds like this. So it's just a suggestion. If you can like get it out without with cutting, well then good for you. But you can see that I had some trouble cutting it out, so I'm just decided I would scoop it out. So now it's pretty clean on both of these. So wait, let me just do it one more time on this one. Okay, so this is basically done. Done with this. Look how many like scraps I have. Okay, so now here. So what you're gonna do now is just line them up right there, I guess. So you're gonna add some things into it. These are gonna be like the toppings. So I'm gonna put in some hummus into one. Wait a second. Okay, sorry everyone. I just realized my hummus is old, so I have some new hummus right here. Thankfully we have this new hummus.
Thankfully she washed her cucumber.
And yes, I washed my cucumber. You can still see that it's wet. So I'm just going to, yummy, perfect. It smells like normal hummus. Okay, so I'm gonna just like scoop this and put it in. What?
Yes, that's why it's way better.
Okay, can you please stop talking?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna wash off my spoon so if I have to use it again, it doesn't get too messy. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so since we're done with the hummus, we move to this cucumber and put in some feta cheese. Yummy! Open up. Okay, oh, this hasn't even been opened yet. Okay, time to open it.
It's nice and new, like the hummus.
Yes, I love new things. Except new cheese doesn't really have a difference.
New cheese doesn't really have a difference. Like new potatoes. That doesn't matter.
Can you please just stop talking? Okay, so, oh my gosh, smell the yumminess of cheese. Yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this in this one, this side. Yummy feta cheese. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Although my sister has different ideas because she can't have cheese, so
I'm allergic.
whatever. Okay, so hummus feta. Now, okay, so these tomatoes I'm gonna use later for my dad, which I'll make another one and show it to you at the end of the video. But, so I'm just gonna add in some turkey. Open up. This is brand new because we just got it from Whole Foods. Yummy. I'm smelling all the foods because it's so yummy. Okay, so just gonna fold this in half and put it on which side? I choose the cheese side.
Is that for the good things? The best things?
Oh, hummus is good.
Yeah.
Should I put carrots on the hummus side?
That would make it taste terrible.
That would make it taste good.
You can.
Nah, carrots wouldn't go well with cheese.
Told you. Neither it would with turkey.
Okay, so got some ham. It's past the 18th. This ham is not good. Okay.
Dad eats it sometimes.
Alright, so my cheddar cheese that I got at the store.
The ham is rotten.
It's not rotten, it's just old.
But you can still eat it.
It's old, Nora. You can't eat it when it's old.
Dad's eating it, and he's fine.
Okay.
Maybe it works differently on boys, which is not fair.
Maybe girls are more cautious than boys. Who knows? Okay.
And maybe
hey, Nora, just stop talking. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off some cheese. Look how much cheese I cut off. Okay, I'm certainly not good at cutting cheese, apparently. That much cheese. I'm not a good cheese cutter.
You got halfway through it that time. When you did that.
I got all the way through, but still.
You could have done better on your last one.
Oh, great. It keeps falling apart. But whatever.
This is clumsy cheese. Very clumsy.
I forgot what cheddar cheese tastes like. I want to eat it. This is delicious. I like this cheese. Good thing, because this is my sandwich. I know what's next. More turkey. Yes, more turkey. And then more cheese, and then more feta, and then more cheddar, and then more turkey. You know. Owner, can you put this in the trash? Turkey.
I think a boy might have made up the thing. We can't eat stuff like that. So we just know it, so we just eat it, basically.
Whatever. Nora, just stop it. Okay, more turkey is on. Okay, now I'm gonna add some cheddar to here, feta to here, and more turkey, and then put it together. This is gonna be good. And a big sandwich, and a big bite. I don't know if I can, I don't know if my mouth is big enough, but whatever, we'll see. Oh, this is way harder. Whatever. Okay. That's a way to cut the cheese away. Okay, so cheddar. Nora, really, just stop talking. Okay. Yummy cheddar cheese. Yummy feta cheese. And then more turkey. And then we smash it together. Or maybe not more turkey. We'll see.
I think you got enough.
Yeah, I have enough turkey.
You have like 2 loads.
There. I love feta cheese, and I love cheddar cheese, and I love turkey and cucumbers. So this is a great sandwich. The cheddar, it's all falling apart. This is huge.
Plate.
Ah!
Plate. Bowl. Plate. Plate.
This is pretty good. Turkey.
Is it good?
Pretty good.
Delicious.
I love cucumber.
A cucumber sandwich?
Looks awesome.
It's so
Wow. Good for you.
good. But it's falling apart.
Oh my goodness.
We definitely needed those toothpicks.
Here, I'll give you a toothpick.
I'll get your toothpick. Look. Wait, what?
Ugh.
I just had them.
Feta cheese. Food is good. It's the best part of life. Besides other stuff. Now that I've showed you how to make this one, I'm going to quickly make my dad's. So be right back. I'm ready for you to eat it and tell me how it is. Well, that was a big crunch.